Are you tired of your VHF radio beeping at you every time you turn your battery switch on your boat? Well, I'm going to tell you why it's doing that and what you can do to fix it. Today I want to tell you about your VHF's MMSI number, or Mobile Maritime Service Identity Number. Now, you don't need to remember that, but you do need to have an MMSI number, and it needs to be programmed in your unit if you have a VHF radio with DSC, or digital selective calling. Before we get started programming the MMSI number, let's talk about what it is. This number works with the digital distress calling feature, which is the red button behind the cover on your DSC enabled VHF radio. This number will allow authorities to get emergency contact information that you're going to input when you apply for the number, so that in the event of emergency, they would be able to contact others on your behalf. You'll also be able to provide a few details on your boat, like your hailing port, the name of the boat, and the color of the boat when you register for this number. There's a few places you can get an MMSI number. At Boat US, you can get one at no charge if you're a member. If you're not a member of Boat US, you can get one from the US Power Squadron's website. You can input that information and they'll give you the number immediately. Now, I've got my number here from the US Power Squadron. It's been assigned to me and I'm ready to program the radio. All right, so on this Garmin VHF 215 AIS unit, we're going to press Menu, and then we're going to go down to DSC. And then from there, we're going to My MMSI, pressing Select again. And now we'll enter my MMSI number. Each time I get to the digit I want, I'm going to press Select again to advance to the next character. And then I'm going to press Accept. And then I'm going to have to re-enter to confirm. Now, with the Garmin equipment, once your MMSI number is programmed into your unit, it is there for good. So be sure you get that number in correctly. And then you'll get the best benefit of all. When you start your radio up, you won't have that beeping and you won't have to hit clear every time. For Atlantic Marine, I'm Jordan Davis, and I'll see you on the water.